Hey guys, welcome to this week's vlog. I look terrible, and what's sad is when I start a vlog looking so bad, all I think about is if this is someone's very first video that they're seeing of mine, they're gonna start watching and like click out. They're gonna be like, I don't want to watch this. That's what I think about, which is like very toxic. But we're starting the day off like this because it's Friday. Oh, August 13th. It's Friday the 13th today. And it's been a long week. It's been a very long week. But yeah, I'm just gonna vlog my entire day today. It's gonna be like kind of a chill, relaxing day, but I also have plans tonight for my friend's birthday, so I'll be getting ready for that. But right now, Luna, you wanna say hi? Yes? Are you bad? Huh? Yes. She's so pretty, but so bad. Oh, there's cat fur all over you. Oh, I gave her the worst, loudest thing to play with. Why did I do that? Oh, I just need to do my hair. It's so late already. Like, I just got up. It's noon. I got up 30 minutes ago. Well, I woke up early to feed her at like 8, and then I took my ass right back to sleep. I slept like a freaking rock. But also it's because I lifted legs yesterday, super heavy, and after a workout like that night, I sleep so hard because all of my energy, any energy I had, was exerted. So, oh my gosh. I basically have an infant. She's just furry and doesn't talk. I keep forgetting what I'm saying, what I'm doing, where I'm going. Oh, I need to do my hair. I washed it yesterday. It's looking real tragic. And then we'll get along with our productive day.
It's the end of the weekend, but I still wanna turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head up? Any night, any day, let me take you away. All I need is just saying yeah. Better nights, better days, when you're here with me, babe, 'cause you're all that I crave. So I wonder, where are you? Don't hide away from me when I need you most. We got love guaranteed, and I have to know, say, where are you? Don't be so hard to reach, just pick up your phone. Tell me where you'll be, 'cause I gotta know. Let me know when you're ready, 'cause I made reservations. Too many invitations, and the last night was heavy. I need communication. Tell me where's
Okay, hair's done. It's been a couple hours. I made some food, and then I was straight chilling on the couch, scrolling on social media for no reason at all. Wasted a lot of time. But these packages have been sitting at the front door for a few days, and I don't remember what I ordered or what is on its way, so I thought I would open it on camera and see. Oh, okay. Now you're gonna eat my foot. That's dangerous. That's You don't even have fingers. Okay. Don't grab things like that. You don't even have real hands. Try not to pay attention to the mess that my house is behind me. It's honestly because Luna has like 8,000 toys. Like she's an actual real child, real human child. It would probably be safer if I used the box cutter, but here we are. I don't know if this is something I ordered. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. Yes. What is this? This is a PR package because I did not order this. I don't know how to pronounce this. I'm gonna be so honest. I think it's in it looks like it's in Spanish, but though I have grown up in Texas and have taken Spanish class from literally kindergarten until like my sophomore or junior year in high school, my Spanish speaking skills are at a -3, and pronunciation Absolutely not. I definitely cheated my way through Spanish my whole life. But what it is, here, I'll show you guys the package. This is what it looked like before I destroyed it. It looks like this, has a little card. This is the product, and then it also came with this fan. Let's see. Okay, it's a body fragrance mist, and it says the flavor or scent, not flavor, is passion fruit nectar and pink patchouli, if I'm saying that correctly. As soon as I opened the box, there was a smell of like perfume. So maybe that's what this smells like. Oh, okay, no. It smells like a warm like vanilla, but it doesn't smell like vanilla. It smells like a fruity, warm, very islandy-esque, island vibes, coconut, vanilla, but like fruity, you know, like clean, fruity coconut. That's what this smells like. It smells good. We like this. And then it came with this really cute little fan. Yes, marketing. This is the brand. This is quite nice. I will find like the website and everything and link it down below. But if this is inexpensive, it smells so good. 10 out of 10 recommend. What is in these boxes? These are from Amazon. I ordered from Amazon so irresponsibly and so reckless that who knows what's in this. It's bad. It's toxic. Oh no, it's a box within a box. What kind of cruel joke is that? Another box in a box. Are you kidding? What in the? Who wraps things like that? In here, what did I order? Oh, okay, got it. Okay, so the birthday dinner I'm going to tonight is for my friend Courtney. She recently got married and her last name changed and her new last name starts with an M. She actually married my guy friend, but now I'm like her friend because like we're all friends. But tonight's her birthday and I ordered her a couple things to bring because I didn't want to show up to her birthday festivities empty-handed. So I got her this cute mug from Amazon. It has an M on it because that is her new last name. Like she's freshly married. And then I also got her a candle, but okay, hold that thought on the candle because I have a feeling that whatever's in this last box is in relation to that. Fuck, it's not. Wait a minute. Okay, yeah, okay. We'll return to the candle thing. But I also ordered a new tub of Carbolin. If you're just not familiar with Carbolin or have never watched any of my other videos or vlogs, it's basically drinking carbs. I drink this during my workouts. It's Carbolin Hydrate and it's lemon lime flavor. It's so good. And I have about 1 scoop left in the tub that I have, so I ordered another one. This is what I was looking for. I ordered 4 of these. I thought I only ordered 3. Did I accidentally pay for 4 or did they accidentally send me an extra one? 1, 2, oh shit. Oh my God, I'm an idiot. And I double checked. I double checked this and missed it. I ordered these candles for a couple of my friends. So they're by a brand called Pure Maliciousness. They have really funny sayings on the candles. So I ordered one for my friend's birthday to go along with her mug. I don't know why I'm such a mug and candle giver. I think it's just like a good universal gift when you don't know what someone wants. Like unless somebody is super into things I'm super into, like makeup palettes, makeup, hair products, stuff like that. If you're not super into that, I'm obviously not gonna get you that, you know what I'm saying? So if you're not super into that, I'm always like, well, what the hell do I get you? And I hate getting things for people that I think they're not gonna use or wear at all. I tend to give mugs because everyone drinks something. Even if you don't drink coffee, you might drink tea. And even if you don't drink that, everyone drinks water. And then candles can be a little bit hard because everyone has a different preference in scents. And even if you don't light it, they make good decorations. So I got some candles. Also to say, I just talk sometimes and I talk and I talk and I'm just like, shut the fuck up. But I got some candles because I wanted to get a candle to go with her mug. And while I was on the site, they just had so many good ones that I was like, I need to get these for my other friends, like just because. So I got some of my friends some candles for no reason. I'm gonna mail it to them because none of them live where I live. But I got 3 different ones, 2 of the same one on accident. But one of them says, brains, beauty, and booty infused with a motherfucking trifecta. How amazing is that? And then on the top, it tells you, I guess, what the candle's gonna smell like. This one says Cabernet all day. Okay, this one smells like a spice. It kind of smells like when you walk in Cracker Barrel. Yeah, it smells like Cracker Barrel. Then I got 2 of this one on accident, but it says Boss Lady. This one's called Boss Lady. It says infused with hustle and caffeine. And the top says Espresso Yo Sil. So I think it's gonna smell like coffee. That smells like straight coffee. It smells good, like sweet coffee. Okay, my camera ran out of memory space and I just learned something new about my camera just now while I was dealing with that. And I feel like an idiot because it's like very obvious. But anyways, and then the last one I got, this one's called Fuck It. It's infused with just fuck it. But on the top it says take a hike. So I don't know what that might smell like. Outdoors? Outdoorsy? Oh, it smells like a man. It smells like men's deodorant in the best way. So I got one for my friend whose birthday it is. And then I got one for my friend Devin. She lives in Houston. And then I got one for my friend Cindy. She lives in Florida. But I don't know which one to give. I was definitely gonna give Fuck It to Devin. Nobody knows us, how we are with each other when no one else is around. But this one is just perfect for her and I. In our friendship. I was gonna give Brains, Beauty, and Booty to Cindy because she is a motherfucking trifecta. So I'm gonna give this one to her. I have to mail these out to her and Devin. They should get these before this video goes up because they both watch my vlogs because they're good friends and that's what good friends do. They support you, right? What time is it? It's 3:30 already. Yikes. I just noticed that my legs, I need to shave my legs. Am I wearing pants or shorts tonight? I didn't even think that far ahead. I should probably just shave my legs. And I need to wrap this gift. And now I need to clean all this up because I made a huge mess. So much to do. I also was gonna do my nails. My brain is like going a million different directions at once. Let me collect myself and I'll be back. Okay, clean up downstairs and I shaved my legs really quick in the shower. They're super smooth. I need to put some like bio oil on this scar. If you follow me on Instagram, you saw that Luna scratched my leg the fuck up the other day. And I'm gonna have these huge scars on my leg now. And I scar really easily, but not much I can do about that now. Oh, also, I don't think I showed you guys my brows. Update from the last vlog. They're peeling right now. So if you see like little patches of skin in them, it looks gross, but you're not supposed to pick it. So I just have to like leave it alone. They still look a little crazy since I have no makeup on my face, but whenever I have makeup on, I'll show you guys later, it looks amazing. But now I'm going to do my nails and toes. I don't know if I have time to paint my nails because it's 4. So I might not paint my nails, but I need to like file them so they don't look tragic. But I'm gonna paint my toes. I just don't know what color I'm gonna do. Sometimes I do this color, which is like a very pale pink. It's Essie's, what is this called? Sugar Daddy. So good. This is my go-to. But I also like doing hot pink only in the summer. It makes me look tan, and I did lay out the other day, so I am kind of tan. So this is like my out of comfort zone fun color that I would do for summer. But then my tried and true for toes, aside from white or black, is like a orangey red. So I have this Essie color in hiking heels. Who comes up with these names? Like, what does that have to do? Anyway. Or I have this NYC, what is this? Times Square Tangerine Cream. So it's kind of like an orangey red, or I have like a red. They're both kind of orangey red actually. Do I do that or do I do pink? I don't know. I'm gonna figure it out and then I'll show you guys whenever I'm done. Okay, finished my toes. I'm gonna show y'all what I ended up doing. Hopefully you guys can see I ended up doing the red orange color. I started off with the NYC one, but it wasn't very vibrant actually. I feel like I've never actually used that color. And so I did the first coat with that one, then I did the second coat with the SE, I don't remember what it was called, but the SE reddish orangish one. And that's what it looks like. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm running so freaking late, but I got ready for the dinner, makeup, hair. The fit is very, very plain. I've got my purse. It's kind of a vibe, but I definitely failed, but it's totally fine. And then I put her mug and her candle in here. I just am finishing wrapping it really quick. I just gotta put the tissue paper in, and I'm using blue because she loves blue and like teal. Even at her wedding, our bridesmaids' dresses were like a teal color, so I thought this would be perfect. I just gotta wrap it. Perfect. I just texted her and she said they haven't been seated yet, so thank fuck, because I'm so late. It's gonna take me like 20 minutes to get there, I think. Let me map it really quick. I'm so stressed. Okay, it says it's gonna take me 17 minutes to get there. Okay, I'm all ready to go, dressed. I just put my Vans on. I've got her present, but that is it for this vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Holding back, I got history.